Now let's look at one more variation that you might discover in some of our sinusoidal graphs. It's called a vertical shift. And we're going to use a cosine graph as our base function. So look at 1/2 cosine x. Notice the amplitude is 1/2, starts at the point on the y-axis, drops down, curves back on up, and so forth. Kind of the basic feel of the graph that we've had so far. So what do you think then if we subtract a value or add a value to that entire function? Well, notice it's not within the argument. What I mean by that, it's not this graph. It's not inside the argument. That's a phase shift. When it's outside of the argument, I'm taking the entire graph and doing a vertical shift. Here I'm going to vertically shift the entire graph 1 unit down at every point. So rather than starting at 1/2, I'm going to shift down 1 unit and start at -1/2. This point that's right here on the x-axis, it's going to be down on the value of 1. Down to 2, back up to 1, and then finishes over here at 1/2. So the graph was shifted 1 unit down everywhere that there was a value at. Of course, we can vertically shift them vertical as well. So good to know what a vertical shift will look like and how to recognize it in an equation and how to separate it from when it's inside the argument of the equation.